Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. So right now we're here again in the bus station because we're going to Lucky Plaza mga auntie, where is the balikbayan boxes or magpapadala tayo ng box to Pinas. So yeah, we're here in Lucky Plaza. It's very fast because it's not very far from where I am or where my place is. So anyway, we're going to So yes guys, so marami kayong mapapipilian dito, maraming sale. So this one is $5, $5, $2, $1, depend on the item that on sale. So if you are sending boxes to Philippines, now this time for you to buy as long as you have money. Anyway, we're going to level 3 because so, ito yung medium, malaki na siya, mataas. So ito namang jumbo. Ito naman yung large. $175. So after ako nagkuha ng box guys, dumaan ako dito sa Xerox copies kasi kailangan kong ipa-Xerox yung mga importanteng dapat ipa-Xerox. At dumaan na din ako dito sa Value Dollar mga auntie. So because I'm planning to buy more chocolates, maybe some of I don't know what kind of stuff that I'm gonna put in my box. So yes, this Value Dollar here is the cheapest sale for chocolate, biscuits, a lot soap, a lot of things guys. So yes, but before going home, I'm gonna buy food here in Jollibee because I don't have time to cook now for myself. So I'm gonna buy Chicken Joy as usual dito sa Jollibee. So, naghihintay ako ng aking number and as you can, nakaupo pala ako mga auntie, nakita ko to siya mga auntie, as you can see, Jollibee has the best chicken in Singapore. Nax, may pa, ano pa sila, the history of Jollibee in the Philippines. So, anyway, go home. So, yun na nga mga auntie, tapos na ako ng balikbayan box. So, nandito ako sa may, yan siya. Dito ako sa bus station, tingnan nyo nga ako, nagkarangguni. So, pauwi na ako mga auntie. Sobrang init as usual. So, naghihintay ako ng bus. So, dito na ako sa bahay mga auntie at kakain na tayo at bubuksan na natin ang ating Chicken Joy. So, nakalimutan ko, wala pala tong rice mga auntie, OMG. Tapos, may salad yan siya. Nakalimutan ko anong name ng salad na to. So, kain tayo mga auntie. Kain. Kinuha natin sa Metro Box. So, medium size pala siya. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ha. So, may free dalawang packaging tape na siya. So, wait. I'm gonna get some scissors. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gano'n siya kalaki. And, ayan. So, papuntang Bukidnon pala siya. Mababayaran natin is 175 Singapore dollar. Papuntang Bukidnon na siya guys. And kailangan mong mag-down ng minimum as 20 Singapore dollar para makuha itong box. And ganyan siya kalaki. O diba? Pang timeline. O diba? So ganito na siya kalaki. So sulit na din siya for 175 Singapore dollar. So nag-down tayo ng 20. So may kulang pa tayong 155 Singapore dollar. Saka natin siya babayaran pag ipapadala na natin siya. So, ganyan siya, oh. Can you see me in the video?
But I can hold it.
No, just leave it there.
No.
It's okay, just
But
leave it.
or else I cannot see.
It's okay, just leave it there like that. Aww, just leave it ah. I will. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Can you see in the camera?
No.
Why not?
You can go around.
So lucky.
But I want to see. Or else look at it, I cannot see.
I see.